Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to share location. First, make sure WhatsApp has location permission so the sticker will work. Once done, open WhatsApp and go straight to the Status tab, then tap the camera for a photo/video or the pencil for text. You want to decide now whether you'll embed a live-looking location with a sticker on a photo or simply type coordinates in a text status, because the next steps change slightly depending on that choice. Now create the content. Take or pick a photo or video, since visuals make the location clear. If you chose text, paste coordinates or a place name. After your media is loaded, tap the sticker icon, select location, and pick your current place or search for the address you want shown. Resize and position the sticker so it's readable but not obstructive. Then add a short caption explaining why you're sharing the spot and any extra details or tag. Finish by tapping send to post the status, and immediately check my status to confirm the upload and how the sticker appears. Make sure your status privacy is set the way you want. Choose my contacts, accept, or only share with so only intended people see your location. If the location sticker won't appear, make sure location services are enabled and WhatsApp has permission. If that fails, restart the app or your phone and try again. Because permissions sometimes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.